when I pop balloons here, it sounds like thunder. So I brought balloons, and I just made my video on the flooding that's happening in my city. But I brought a balloon, and I tested it out to see if it would sound like thunder, and I was right, because the echo bounces off these trees and into this wide open field, and the sound waves are so cool. You gotta hear this. Guys, that was crazy. Here, let's do another one. One more, here you go. Holy crap. Holy crap, you guys. That is the coolest echo I've ever seen. Dude, this street is always open, but since of the flooding, it's closed. But, man, if this ever happens again, I'm gonna come down here and do this again. Man, that is so cool. We're gonna do one more. This is our last one. Family's coming, so I'm gonna stop after that. My God, that echo is so crazy. And don't worry, guys, I'm picking up my trash, putting it in my pocket. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.